How to legally work in Thailand? Jobs for foreigners. Most people think it's almost impossible for foreigners to find legal work in Asia. Just 1 week after I moved to Thailand, I got my first legal offer, $1,200 a month with full visa support. That made me explore how foreigners actually work here, what's allowed, what's restricted, and which skills are truly in demand. In this video, I will show real stories from teachers who spend their lunch by the sea like I once did, to IT specialists. Stay tuned, because at the end I will share the best verified websites and apps to find real jobs across Asia. This episode opens our Asia Work and Life series, a practical guide for those who want to live, work or start over abroad. We will explore what jobs are really available for foreigners and how the work permit system functions and which industries offer the best balance between income and lifestyle. Thailand protects local employment. Manual work, massage, constructions and small trade are reserved for Thai citizens. This rule comes from 1979 Alien Employment Act, created to preserve traditional crafts and local income. Today, around 40 jobs remain closed, mostly physical labor or retail. But the economy has shifted. Thailand now needs international specialized in education, IT, marketing, finance, tourism and wellness. Once you see where your skills fit, you stop being a tourist and become a professional who adds value here. Teaching is one of the easiest legal ways to start working in Thailand, especially for foreigners who speak English fluently. The demand is huge. International schools, bilingual kindergartens and language centers are always looking for teachers, tutors and early childhood educators. Salaries range from almost $1,000 to $2,200 per month, depending on the school, location and your qualifications. Most contracts include visa and work permit support, housing allowance and paid holidays. You don't always need a teaching degree. What matters most is your ability to connect with students. Having a TESOL and TEFL certificates make you more competitive, especially in international environment. I personally got my first job in Russian language kindergarten in Phuket just a week after arriving, simply by posting in a local Facebook group. It reminded me how opportunity appears when you stop waiting and start offering value. Next one, tourism and hospitality. Tourism is the beating heart of Thailand, and foreigners with language skills have a real advantage. Resorts and hotels often hire guest relation managers, PR assistants, event coordinators or tour guides. These roles don't usually require advanced degrees. What they value is communication, cultural awareness and a natural sense of service. Salaries range from $1,000 to $2,500 per month, sometimes with accommodation, meals or insurance included. If you speak English or at least one more language like Russian, Germany or Mandarin, I don't know, you will instantly stand out. I remember my first interview on English. It was exciting and terrifying at the same time, but that's how confidence grows. IT and finance. Over the past few years, Thailand has been growing its digital economy, especially in Bangkok and Chiang Mai. Foreigners with tech or financial backgrounds can legally work under the non-B work visa, which allows annual renewals and full employment rights. The most in-demand positions include web developers, UX designers, digital marketers, and financial analysts. Salary starts around $1,000 and can reach $4,200 per month, depending on your passport and experience. For remote professionals, Thailand also offers Smart Visa, designed for tech, innovation and startup specialists. It's one of the most flexible options for digital nomads who want to stay long-term and work legally. Thailand has become Asia's wellness capital. Certified yoga teachers, fitness coaches, massage trainers, nutritionists are in constant demand, especially in Phuket, Koh Samui, and Chiang Mai. Many foreigners work legally through partnership with Thai studios or wellness resorts. Monthly income ranges from $850 to $2,800, depending on your experience and clientele. The creative industry is also booming. Content creators, photographers, videographers, and event planners thrive here. Your personal brand and online portfolio are the new resume. Build community, stay consistent, and clients will find you. And next one, gastronomy and culinary art. Food is the universal language, and Thailand speaks it fluently. International chefs, baristas, and bakers find opportunities in resorts, eco-cafes, and fusion restaurants. Salaries range from $850 to $3,400 per month, often with meals or housing included. The biggest trend in 2025 years is plant-based and fusion cuisines, combining Thai ingredients with Western techniques. To succeed, you need creativity, hygiene certificates, and understanding of Thai flavors, that sweet, spicy, sour balance. Some chefs even start their own brands with local partners or collaborate through the BOI Startup Program. Freelance and entrepreneurship. Many expats don't work for companies. They build their own. You can register a Thai company with a local partner by law. 51% must be Thai-owned or applied through the BOI program, Board of Investment of Thailand. The BOI is a government initiative supporting foreign specialized in tech, wellness, education, and creative industries. It offers tax benefits, startup visas, and even allows 100% foreign ownership for approved projects. All you need, it's not a laugh, it's a solid business plan and proof that your work creates value for Thailand development. It's one of the easiest ways to turn your freelance career into a legal, long-term path. And most opportunities come through local networking. So start showing up at community events and collaborations. When I first arrived, I had no plan, just curiosity. Now you know the truth. Foreigners can work legally in Thailand. Here are a few real jobs platforms like LinkedIn and etc. Indeed, Facebook groups, Phuket expat jobs, Thailand digital nomads. So you can screen because you can forget. If you dream of remote work, programs like Smart Visa and Digital Nomad Visa can help you stay longer and work for global companies legally. Because our channel is Dog for Globe. It means money for traveling. That's why we are here and speaks with you. Don't forget to subscribe, because our Asia work and life series continues soon. We already have 2 episodes about how I faced my fear, moved abroad and adapted to a new life. Watch them next, and links you can find in descriptions. Tell us in the comments which country to explore next: Vietnam, Bali, maybe Hong Kong or Malaysia. And if you would like to support our work, you can buy us a coffee. Link you can find as well in description. Every small donation helps us keep creating meaningful stories from across Asia. Remember, it's not about paradise, it's about purpose. One brave step at a time.